Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. It's incredible. Look at that number up there. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom on a regular basis. And my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey, everyone. And if everyone could watch the video straight through and smash that like button, it would really help me in this channel, and I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research and due diligence. Don't take what I say as financial advice. Please jump on all the websites I've recommended in all of these videos. It will give you confidence before investing, especially with cryptos. My golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you have to set a limit for yourself, because you can lose money like that in cryptos, all right? So please be careful. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, formalities are now out of the way, guys. Got to get straight into it. Coinspot today. Bitcoin has been pumping the last couple of days, which is unreal. So I have a referral link below for Coinspot. If you're new to cryptos in Australia, please feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? It's only going to go up to 100 to 140,000. Definitely very soon. So I'll leave that up to you. Bitcoin sitting at 74,000 Australian dollars. This is in AUD, guys, Australian dollars. Ethereum 5,000 today. Unreal. BNB is $618. Cardano $3.21. XRP is $1.50. It's like a stable coin at the moment. I don't think it's going to be there for very long. Solana's $218. Polkadot $48. I'm going to scroll down to my favorites. Stellar XLM is at 48 cents. Shiba Inu is down 16% at the moment. Everything's sort of consolidating and quietening down after yesterday's parabolic 70% rise. VECHAIN's at 15 cents. Great buying opportunity. Theta $9.31. Hedera's 53 cents. And obviously we'll keep scrolling down here to my other ones. Neo, I'm very bullish on that one as well. And XDC, XinFin, 17 cents. Let's have a look at the gainers here today. So we've got NIM sitting at just 1 cent here. BTC Standard, $83. Symbol XYM. This is another X one, by the way. Phantom, Troy, BSV, QKC, and ING. They're the gainers today on Coinspot. All right, so we've got some news. The first BTC Bitcoin ETF has been approved by the SEC, guys. This is huge news from, obviously, you've got it here from Business Insider. This is today. The SEC have just approved the closest thing to a US Bitcoin ETF you can buy for now. This is huge. It just goes to show that this is so early that we are before the institutions. Let that sink in for a minute and think about it. So, a new exchange traded fund may be close to as close as investors can get to having a Bitcoin ETF, at least for now. The Securities and Exchange Commission has approved Vault Equities ETF, which aims to track companies that hold the majority of their assets in Bitcoin to derive the majority of their profit or revenue from Bitcoin-related activities like mining, lending, and manufacturing mining equipment. Tad Pak, CEO of the fund, told Insider he calls these Bitcoin Revolution companies and is eyeing MicroStrategy, Marathon Digital Holdings, and Bitfarms, among others, for the actively managed fund. Wow, actively managed fund, sorry. Vault Crypto Industry Revolution Tech ETF was approved on October 5th, so a couple of days ago. We are at the 8th today. This year's flying, it's unbelievable. And will trade under the ticker BTCR. The news was first reported by New York Times Dealbook. Pak told Insider it hopes to go public on the New York Stock Exchange in the next 3 weeks. This is crazy stuff, guys. I'm a strong believer in Bitcoin and was really excited about launching an ETF that could take advantage of the coming Bitcoin revolution. We are so early in this. He told Insider we can get exposure to Bitcoin without necessarily holding the coin, especially with options positions. This roundabout investing strategy is necessary because the SEC under Chair Gary Gensler, everyone's favorite bloke at the moment, has been putting off approving Bitcoin ETFs because he's behind the times, with nearly 2 dozen stuck in limbo. 2 dozen stuck in limbo. Imagine when those 2 dozen ETFs get approved, what's going to happen to crypto. Mind-blowing. Amid fears of potential risk for market manipulation, the US thus far has not approved a single one yet, though Gensler did recently note that he is more open to a Bitcoin futures ETF. In Canada, however, Bitcoin ETFs are now available, which is awesome. So as you can read here, as a result, the Vault ETF will not directly invest in Bitcoin. Instead, it looks to put at least 80% of its net assets into Bitcoin Revolution companies, options, ETFs with exposure to companies. The rest will go in broad equity markets to offset the risk of the portfolio. So guys, this is a really good workaround that allows an ETF to start now in obviously Bitcoin and crypto. This is really good news, guys. So let's just have a look at their website here. This is the Vault Equity website here. I'm just going to load this up. I'm not sure what's happening here. Let's refresh. Okay, so this is their website here. Sorry, it's a bit slow. Here we go. Tech strategy meets high conviction investing. You've got Vault Equity here. Pretty cool website here. And you've got here Bitcoin digital gold for the people. And obviously, if you go to this news here, so you've got investment strategies, Bitcoin new. Obviously, this has just been approved. So you've got an article here on Bitcoin here, which is unreal. And you've got their ETF here. I'm going to go back, and you've got their ETFs. Let's just have a look here. All right, scroll down. BTCR ETF equity, and you've got launching soon. So this is going to be huge, guys. This is really good stuff because it's indirectly investing in Bitcoin and crypto. It's only one crypto Bitcoin. Imagine what's going to happen to the rest of the crypto market. Mind-blowing stuff. Let's get into some updates with XRP. So XRP, what's up next? Obviously, you got here the trial and tribulations of XRP community. Get rid of that pop-up. And the digital asset ecosystem. The SEC Ripple lawsuit has been dragging, which we all know it's doing my head in. Of the eyes and executive as an investor within the trading industry, particularly the digital asset space, leaving many questioning why is the lawsuit taking so long and when will the lawsuit end. So keep scrolling down here. Many legal experts, on the other hand, have said time and time again that the SEC vs Ripple is unlikely to have an ending this year, although anything can happen as the settlement deal could go down at any time. Unreal, guys. And obviously we got here in late July, Jeremy Hogan, Strange Things led attorney Jeremy Hogan to speculate that both parties had reached a deal. That wasn't the case, but it goes to show that a settlement this year can't be ruled out entirely. Now, if that happens, it is going to set a precedence for the crypto industry, the market as a whole, and I can guarantee you this price of XRP will smash $10 very easily. It will happen. There's so many banks, financial institutions that keep pouring money already using the bridge currency XRP and as cross-border payments. It's already happening, and I think a lot more partners will come on board once this case gets settled and the dust settles as well behind it, and the future is going to be incredible. It's going to happen. It's partnered with too many big players out there. It has too many big investors behind it. This is the only cryptocurrency out there that is literally being backed by all the banks, huge hedge funds, investors, angel investors, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Bank of England, Santander in Europe. All these big investors are backing Ripple. So it has to succeed. It is too small not to, it's too big to fail is what I'm trying to say. All right, so let's get into some updates with regards to obviously Stellar XLM. MoneyGram has just partnered with XLM, which is interesting because MoneyGram was formerly partnered with Ripple. And guys, this is a competitor of XRP, but it's still not at that level. They are not at that level yet. I'm still, holding XLM on my portfolio, but it's really, just a play for me. I'm not bullish on it. Yes, it's going to do well in the future, but XRP is definitely well ahead of XLM for sure. So you've got here MoneyGram partners with Ripple competitor Stellar will settle transactions with USDC stablecoin. So this is interesting stuff here. So you've got MoneyGram International, one of the largest transfer services in the world, is partnering with Stellar Development Foundation, non-profit organization that supports the development of Stellar, a blockchain network that facilitates cross-border transactions. There you go. That's just an update on that one. Obviously, guys, I am going to be investing more in Hedera, HBAR, and obviously because they're huge partners, man. They've got Boeing, they've got Google, they've got Amazon Web Services, IBM, huge companies, IG, I believe as well, massive companies as well. This is a long-term play, and also all my cryptos that I'm investing at the moment, my favorites, XDC, XRP, you've got XLM, you've got HBAR, Reef, all these cryptocurrencies are long-term plays for me. Even Shiba Inu, man, like I'm just holding for the next 5 to plus years. I'm not planning on selling anything, especially with the ones that are the banking coins, XRP, XDC, because it's, you know, going to be crazy to think what these, you know, projects are going to be doing in the future. If you look back 5 years ago, I've got friends that have been holding cryptocurrencies for the last 5 years. I've seen their portfolios with my own eyes. I've seen the value of it. I've seen what they bought it at back then 5 years ago. It's mind-blowing. We are so early. Institutions are being regulated right now. They're being stopped from investing into cryptocurrencies and stuff like this. Just wait and see what's going to happen in the future. 5 years from now, what's going to happen here once the institutional money starts flowing through this. Banking, SWIFT, trillions of dollars goes through cross-border payments. What do you think is going to happen to the market cap? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious. All right, so other than that, let's just get into some updates on Twitter, guys. Just wait for this to load. All right, so you've got here XRP. Let's have a look here. Not much happening at the moment with this, and the case is pretty much what I just said before. So XRP holders, please sign up. No, I'm not going to do that. You've got the BitBoy there. It's giving some price predictions again, and obviously with the case settling very soon. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much flat for XRP. Let's get into XYO. Some updates with XYO. Obviously, we've got here a new partnership here. T0 joins forces with XY Labs, the company behind XYO, to digitize and trade XY Labs equity. I'm bullish on XYO still, guys, very early with this project. And that's pretty much it in terms of the news. There's not much else on that one. Let's get into CoinMarketCap quickly. Let's check the market cap for the entire market. Wait for it to load. All right. Open up, guys. All right, so 3.1 trillion. It's in the green in the last 24 hours, which is awesome. 3.1 trillion. Trading volume has been $176 billion, guys. That's a lot of money flowing through cryptos. 44% is Bitcoin, 18% for ETH. Cryptocurrencies, 12,400. This keeps going up every single day. It's crazy. And you keep going down here, and you've got the 24 hours in the green, 7 days still in the green, 30 days in the green, 90 days, and just all in the green, guys, which is fantastic. Look at that parabolic rise there of all time. Unreal. Going to show you my portfolio, then I'm going to get into my 3 commas because I'm going to show you that one as well because I think that's important. All right, so this is my cryptos that I'm holding. Bitcoin, Cardano, XRP, I'm buying that this week. Dogecoin, not buying any of that. Shiba Inu, I'm still holding my position. Stellar, XLM, a dollar cost average into that one. VeChain, very bullish on that, as you all know. I love the project. Tron, Theta, Hedera, going to be buying more of that because it's a great project. It will go parabolic in the future. It's got too many big players, too big to fail. Neo, still bullish on that one, guys. Keep scrolling down here. XDC, going to be buying more of that one. Need to hold these long term. Theta Fuel, Holochain, Telcoin, Seacoin, Digibyte, ANKR, Win, VThor, Reef, very bullish on this one. We'll get into more detail with this one as I've seen some pretty crazy price predictions. I am dollar cost averaging into this one, building my position up. XYO, definitely long-term play for me with that one. Constellation DAG, I've done video on this before. It is partnered with the US Air Force, has got some incredible partnerships already. Definitely a long-term hold. Ecomi, I'm very bullish on Ecomi as well. Though I haven't added to my position, I'm still holding it. As I said, they've got incredible partners with their licenses on the VV app. And have a look at that, guys, because it's really interesting. Electronium, Acropolis, Ubix Network. Again, I'm early into Ubix Network. Just bought a bag. I'm holding that one because it's very, very early. And I like getting in early because that's when we all benefit. That's pretty much it in regards to my portfolio and the news. Let's get into 3 commas, my trading bot, guys, because this is great. And I did do a video on it yesterday on how to set up a DCA bot, which is a dollar cost averaging bot. There is a referral link for 3 commas below. Feel free to use that. And you can see it's made me a total profit, obviously in the last 24 hours, $43.22. This is incredible, guys. It keeps moving up. Just set and forget. Set your settings and forget. And obviously keep an eye on it to make sure that the trades are going through, guys. And obviously you've got here my bot. Let's have a look at my deals. I've currently got 11 going at the moment. And you can see right here they're all active, which is great. And obviously the market's a little bit flat at the moment. IOTA is up here. I've got 1.47%, 14 cents, and ONT is up 1.29%, which is great. So those deals will pretty much close straight away. The rest of them here, just moving around a little bit here. And obviously I've set a parameter in there, as I said in my video, that I've got a trading volume in the last 24 hours of, I believe it was 60 Bitcoin. And that obviously removes all the low risk trading volume coins, so that I'm removing that risk element out of there. But really great platform, guys. And as I said, I just monitor this on the app. Download the app if you're using 3Commas. You can keep an eye on your trades as well. It's fantastic. And yeah, I've got 879 in there at the moment, guys, and I'm going to be throwing more at this because it's been fantastic, and I just wanted to try it before I did a video yesterday. It's been awesome, honestly, guys. All right, leave the comments below what you're planning on buying. Are you buying anything at the moment? Let's talk about it in the comments. As I said, I'm definitely adding more of XDC, XRP, Reef, Constellation DAG, and what other one did I say I'm going to buy? VECHAIN. They're my big players at the moment. All right, let's talk about it in the comments. Stay safe, guys. Peace. Bye.